Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter in a Hyundai Santa Fe. First, gather your tools, including a new cabin air filter and a small Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality and HVAC system efficiency. It's a quick and easy DIY project that anyone can do with minimal effort and basic tools. Next, open your glove box all the way. You'll see a damper arm on the right side. Carefully detach it. On both sides of the glove box, there are usually two small stopper clips or screws. Rotate or unscrew these to release the glove box, allowing it to swing down further. This provides clear access to the cabin air filter housing, which is typically located behind the glove box. Now you should see a rectangular housing cover, often with clips on either side. Unclip these and carefully pull the cover off. The old cabin air filter will be inside. Gently slide it out, paying attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow indicates the direction air flows through the filter. Insert your new filter, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the correct direction, usually downwards. Finally, reattach the filter housing cover, making sure it clicks securely into place. Carefully push the glove box back up, re-engaging the side stoppers. Don't forget to reattach the damper arm on the right side. Close the glove box, and you're all set. Replacing your cabin air filter regularly, typically every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, helps maintain clean air inside your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.